Why does your scanner show the P0873 engine code? What does it mean? P0873 is a diagnostic trouble code for transmission fluid pressure. Sensor or switch C circuit high. The P0873 engine code for indicate the powertrain control module PCM or transmission control module TCM has detected a voltage signal from transmission fluid pressure sensor C. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty transmission pressure sensor C. Short to voltage in the sensor circuit. Contaminated or restricted hydraulic passages. Sticking pressure regulator valve. Faulty PCM or TCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Toyota, Honda, Ford, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.